Welcome to RS English classes. Today I would like to say all viewers, all subscribers that you should watch this video because the student of RS English classes will do discuss, will do debate, and that debate will be village life and city life. But first of all, I would like to say it is 5 September today and it is Teachers Day. So I think everyone knows about this fact. It is the birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was the first Vice President of India, and after that he did many good works for the country. So the government had decided him to give him the highest civilian award, which is Bharat Ratna. So before becoming a president or vice president, he was a teacher. He used to teach in Calcutta University, and he did work as a vice chancellor in Banaras University. He was a teacher of philosophy. He did many work, and he wanted to support women because I think if we want to improve our society, if we want to maintain our country, then firstly we should provide education to women. So he was a great supporter. So on this day, I would like to say we should not forget the work of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, and he did for many works for India. So I think he was a great icon for us. So we should respect and we should remember him on this day. And as a teacher, I would like to say all students that we should do hard work, because without hard work you cannot achieve your aim. So you should do hard work. If you do hard work, you can get any target. You can fulfill your pious desire, and you have precious time to use your time, and then you will become a good citizen for our country. If you get education, then you will educate your coming generation, new generation. So this will be good for us. So I would like to thank you to all students because they give me respect on this occasion. So thanks a lot for all students. But on this day we are going to make a video, and that video will be debate. So there are two teams here, team A and team B. So let us start. So firstly I would like to give chance to team B. So what do you think about city?
I think city is better than village because there are many facilities in the city. You can see that there are many hospitals, big hospitals, and schools, college, university, coaching centers. You see, there are many facilities in city.
Okay. Mr. Ashok, what do you think about village? What is your opinion? Why is village better than city?
I think village life is better than city because in village life we can get a good atmosphere, a good level of oxygen, and so the many tourists came and see the atmosphere of village. and the village, it is the very important for our country. As you know, India is an agricultural country, so the economy of India more than depend upon on the on the agriculture.
Okay, Mr. Ashok is saying that Indian farmers are backbone of Indian country. So they produce grains for us. So they are important. Khushbu, what do you think about city?
I think city life is better life because in city there are many facilities like education, sports, and many malls and electricity. In city, electricity is available about in 24 hours. And in village, they faces many problems like electricity and education. In village, there are less schools and coaching institutes. So, city life is better.
She is saying that electricity is important and you cannot get proper electricity in villages. So what is your opinion?
But now this time electricity is equal in a village. Okay, and there are many facilities in village. You saw in village culture is very good, and there are many types of facilities. Our atmosphere is very good comparison than cities. Okay, so village is good, better than cities.
Speak. Mr.
I think city life is so good because there is much education and there is many there are many shops, malls, big shops, and there are much hospital big. So city life is so good.
You want to say there are many hospitals in city and there is less hospital
In villages.
and the matter of electricity, what do you think, Khushbu? Mr. Mol is saying that electricity is good in villages.
I said electricity is equal, but in city electricity is available 24 hours, but not in village 24 hours.
She is saying electricity is in city 24 hours and village I think you can get only 18 hours.
But electricity is not matter. Okay.
Matter. Why student cannot read it without electricity?
But in cities, pollution is very increasing day by day.
She is talking about electricity.
In villages, electricity is good.
If you want to compare between both of them, village and city, whose electricity is better? City or village?
I accept it.
Yeah, you should accept it.
But pollution, I'm looking at a topic of pollution. In the cities, pollution is increasing day by day, and in my village, pollution is not available here.
I said pollution is divided because in city there are many factories and it is important for machines because we in COVID-19 we in online class through mobile, so machine are important.
Machines are important.
Team will say that machines are very important for us. I accept that machines are important. Everyone know about machines and anything. But in COVID-19, as you see, the the effect of COVID-19, the effect of COVID-19 is higher in city life. While in village life there are very less quantity of patient. So because in village life there are good atmosphere and the immunity power of villagers is too good than cities peoples. The village people get good atmosphere and fresh air, fresh water, so they improve our immunity power.
They improve their immunity power.
Yes, sir. So about this matter, what do you say?
In city there is a big hospital. Big hospital. If a patient are ill, so they can check up us.
Yes.
They can go to the hospital and they can check their sickness
Yeah.
from teachers, from patient, from doctors.
Okay. So in city, more than people become ill. When in COVID-19, as you know, the in COVID-19 the expenses upon the COVID patients expense government. So I think it is become weak our country.
Yes, I accepted that, but there are many big hospitals that if some patients are COVID-19,
If some patients are ill, so they go hospital in easily treatment, good treatment. And in village, there are less hospital, they do not good treatment for the patient. And in village, people have to go in city for treatment. So, cities hospital are good.
Okay. If we discuss about the traffic problem, the traffic problem between village and city. So we found the village is good because there are the less vehicle. So the accident is no accident is no in village life. While city life, there always become accidents on the road.
I accept in cities there are many accidents, but they follow the traffic rules. And but in village they do not follow the traffic rules. And
But in
village roads are very broad and very clean. But in village roads are very muddy and they are so.
But in village there is less vehicle. Okay. So it is not important our road is how to
Their pollution in village life, there are pollution is so less. While in city life, the pollution is so high, and the people of cities they always they cannot get good oxygen because there are pollution is so high. About this matter, what do you say? Pollution.
I accept that, there are many persons in city because there are many factories. They do many things, new things day by day. So their environment is bad in city.
But they produce articles, they produce things. If you want to buy biscuit in village, the village shopkeeper goes to city and he buys from there if the factories does not work, then how can he buy? So I think village people depend on city.
Okay. If the village people cannot get the material of this the dry foods like biscuits and anything, so the factories cannot make it and cannot buy it because the all material of these things
Raw material.
raw material village provide.
This is good point. If you do not get raw material, then how can you produce?
Yes, I accept that, but there are no big machines. That is not impossible. So,
Okay. I think in a city life the survival is too hard because there are all things is so costly. In a village life, the villagers rise crops and they survive our life so easily.
But in village people come, in city find a good job, and the village people have to come in shopping in cities because there are many shops in cities and all things is available in cities. They can buy easily many things.
But some people go to the city buy all things, and many people earn money here in our village because they grow raw materials and they sold to the cities. So there are earn money by selling.
How can you say?
How can I say?
Some people go to city.
some people have to
In corona time, you can see
All village people in cities for good treatment.
some
when
people
government has decided for lockdown, you can see many people have come from city. So how can you say less people go to city?
In corona time the many citizens of the city they return at home because because more than people who live in city their own home in village, they go city for earn more money, for earning more money.
I accept that, but after Corona time, some people have to go in city because they want to earn a lot of money, so they do work in city.
Okay. If we discuss about the tradition and custom, so we find in village there are many customs, tradition, and the villagers always celebrate it. In city life, there are no tradition, no culture. They follow the foreign culture. As you know, this is not our culture because we are Indian. So we should follow our tradition, our custom.
It is not matter. You are village person and you are city person.
But cities people celebrate any festival.
They do not forget any festival and they invite very much because they have more money.
It does not matter. You are village person and city person. It does matter only you are Indian. then city person has
So why the-
Our topic
good
is city
manners.
life versus
So why
village life. Okay.
So why city people follow foreign tradition and custom? Why?
But our people are not follow for
All people do not follow.
Okay.
And we talk about crime. In cities areas, crime is so highly. Okay.
Because
What
they
you will say about crimes?
I accepted crime is increasing, but police are arresting criminal and police
Police give punishment to criminals.
as you see in a village life there are in a village life it is it is quiet and peaceful. Why? In city life there are more noise, more pollution. City life is more noisy, and in city life there are more competition among the businessmen and many peoples. So they do crime, and in village life there are I think there are very less crime.
There are many business in city life. Then
there are many government and public schools in city, and there are many coaching institutes in city, and who prepare the many like government, banking, railway, IS, BCS, and in village they do not educate and
But nowadays in villages, study schools are increasing day by day, and our teachers teach our children in villager children to good. Okay, and villagers people for us.
But she is talking about high education. For preparing teacher examination, for preparing IS examination.
if
You
you
cannot
compare,
get any good coaching in your village.
Yes.
For this, you will have to go to Allahabad.
Yes.
You will have to go to
listen,
Delhi.
listen. If you
For primary level, for basic level, you can find there are many colleges in village.
if you prepare any examination, any course, you have to go in city.
I accept, but if we talk about humanity and good health, so I think you can get these things in a village life. Because okay, you can get these things in village life easily.
in city life easily because there are many shops in there and
There are many product of science in city.
they
They
can grow.
do easily our work.
If you talk about the science, so I think the many scientists belong to the village life. Okay, like Abdul Kalam, he also a villager, and talk about C.V. Raman and many scientists. I think they are belong to the village.
They belong from
They belong from village. Yes, sir.
But when they want to become a scientist, then you have to go in city for preparing.
Okay, I think if we compare about city and village, then we find both are important at its place.
Yes, sir.
City people cannot survive without village people, and village people cannot survive without city people. Because if we talk about education, then villager people have to go to city. And we talked about product, we talked about raw material. Then for this cities people will have to come to village, and they have to buy. After that they can make good product from their company. In the same way, if we talk about agriculture, if we talk about wheat, paddy, any crops, then city people will have to come to village. They have to buy their product, so they can survive. So I think both are equal at this place. But I am going to conclusion about this debate that we cannot ignore the village people, and we cannot ignore the city people. But at some places, I think villagers can be helpless, like education, like good transport system, like good hospital. But I think government should focus toward the development of village. Then in future, I think everything will be available in village. At that time, I think village is better, more better than city. If our facilities will available here, then I think there is good atmosphere, there is good water, there is everything here. So today I am going to finish this debate, and once again I would like to appeal all viewers, all subscribers, that you should subscribe my channel and watch this video till end. And at last I would like to say, these students can do some mistakes, so please ignore it. But they are trying to speak English, so one day they will speak fluently. So thanks a lot for watching my videos. Thanks.